Stowbar detachable system. To install the Stowbar detachable, first remove the rubber weather cap and ensure that the receiver is clear of any mud, gravel, road debris and so on. To allow the tow ball neck to slide into the tow ball receptor, the recess in the handle shaft needs to be aligned correctly. Slide the handle in and turn until flush with the inner radius. With the tow ball facing the ground, slide the neck into the receptor and rotate anti-clockwise 180 degrees. Rotate the handle clockwise until the spring-loaded lock clips into position over the stud pin. The tow ball is now ready to be used. To remove the tow ball, slightly lift the handle and pull back the spring-loaded lock lever. Then push down the handle in an anti-clockwise direction to the loading position. Rotate the tow ball neck clockwise 180 degrees and slide out whilst holding to prevent it falling onto the floor. Pull out the handle and replace the rubber weather cap. When not in use, keep the tow ball in the bag provided. If kept in the vehicle, this must be located such that it is not free to enter the passenger compartment in the event of a collision.